The flood situation following torrential rain in Garo Hills has gone from bad to worse in the last couple of days. In a viral video, one can see a flood situation at southwest Garo Hills district on 9th of June 2022. The flood water can be seen washing away several houses and submerging many more in the area. Concerned with the worsening situation, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday said, "These are natural calamities and it is not something we can do to stop, but we need to ensure that minimum inconvenience is caused to the people and whatever support is required will be given by the government." Sangma also assured that administration has been put on high alert. The Deputy Commissioner of South West Garo Hills, West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills are continuously assessing the situation, he said.